Dear students, we're going to do the 7th exercise in our first lesson. The 7th exercise in our first lesson. Analyze carefully. Check out the introduction. Votre mère vous demande de faire certaines choses pendant qu'elle fait les courses au supermarché. What have you understood here? Listen. Your mother is asking you to do certain things while she is doing her shopping at the supermarket. Your mom is asking you to do certain things while she is busy doing her shopping at the supermarket. I hope you've understood. Now, you need to give a negative answer. You need to answer in a negative form, in a negative way, to all the questions that she asks while returning. When she returns, she asks certain questions. I asked you to do this. Have you done this? I asked you to do this one. Did you do it? And you'll always give a negative answer. Let's analyze. So it's like a mini dialogue. It's like a small dialogue, a short one between the mother and you and your mom. Okay, let's check out the example first. Analyze the example. Prepare le dîner, to prepare the dinner. So your mother, she's busy doing her shopping. She went out and she asked you people to prepare the dinner. Now she's coming back. She returns and she asks a question. So we're going to have a short dialogue between your mother and you. So let's check out the question, what your mother is going to ask now. Now, your mother is going to ask a question using the verb prepare, but please remember the verb is going to be conjugated in passé composé. Have you prepared the dinner? The verb prepare is not found in Dr. Miss Van Tramp list. We will use avoir as the auxiliary verb. So when the subject is tu, it is as. And how do you get your past participle? You cut er and you put e acute. So have you prepared the dinner? And here you see the title says you need to give a negative answer. So have you prepared the dinner? You will say, no, je n'ai pas encore préparé le dîner. No, I still have not prepared the dinner. So I hope you remember this expression, ne pas encore. The translation is still not. Or in other words, not yet. So I still have not prepared the dinner. So when the subject is tu, your avoir conjugation is as. But when the subject is je, your avoir conjugation is ai. But the past participle will be the same. But all you have to do is on either side of the auxiliary verb avoir, you're supposed to put ne before the verb and pas encore after the verb. So you need to give a negative answer. No, I still have not prepared the dinner. So we have analyzed the example. Let's do the first sentence. So, repasser les chemises, to iron the shirts. To iron the shirts. Repasser les chemises. Now let's write a short dialogue between you and your mom. Please remember the verb repasser should be in passé composé. So your mom is coming and asking, as-tu repassé les chemises? Have you ironed the shirts? Again, the verb repasser is conjugated in passé composé. Since it's not found in Dr. Miss Van Tramp list, we are using avoir as the auxiliary verb. When the subject is tu, it is as, and how do you get your past participle? Go with the general rule, cut ER and put E acute. So have you ironed the shirts? And you're going to give a negative answer to your mom. So you will say, no, je n'ai pas encore repassé les chemises. Analyze the example in the same way you do it. No, I still have not. I still have not. Non, je n'ai pas encore. I still have not ironed the shirts. Repasser les chemises. The second sentence. Finir tes devoirs, to finish your homework. So your mother asked you to do your homework, to finish your homework before she returns. And now she's asking you a question. Let's imagine the short dialogue between you and your mom. Your mother is coming and asking, and she's using the verb finir in passé composé. So, as-tu fini tes devoirs? Have you finished your homework? And what answer you will give? You will say, no, je n'ai pas encore fini mes devoirs. No, I still have not finished my homework. When the subject is tu, your homework, T-E-S. But when the subject is je, it is my homework, M-E-S. Let's go ahead and check out the third sentence. Let's find out the third sentence. Ranger ta chambre, to arrange your bedroom. So let's check out the short dialogue between you and your mom. So your mother asked you before she goes to the supermarket, she asked you to do certain work. And one is to arrange your bedroom, to clean your bedroom. Now she's coming back and asking the question, as-tu rangé ta chambre? Have you cleaned your bedroom? And what answer you will give? A negative answer. You will say, no, je n'ai pas encore rangé ma chambre. No, I still have not cleaned my room. Je n'ai pas encore rangé ma chambre. Fourth question. Couper les légumes, to cut the vegetables. So, mother asked you to cut the vegetables, and now she comes back after her shopping and she asks a question. So let's imagine the dialogue, short dialogue between you and your mom. As-tu coupé les légumes? Have you cut the vegetables? And what answer you will give? You will give, non, je n'ai pas encore coupé les légumes. No, I still have not cut the vegetables. I still have not cut the vegetables. Je n'ai pas encore coupé les fleurs. We have used avoir as the auxiliary verb because the verb couper is not found in Dr. Mrs. Van Tramp list. And how do you get your past participle for couper? Cut ER and put E, acute. So you will get, no, I still have not cut the vegetables. The fifth one, arroser les plantes. Arroser les plantes, to water the plants. So your mom asked you to water the plants, and now she comes back and she asks the question, as-tu arrosé les plantes? As-tu arrosé les plantes? Have you watered the plant? And what negative answer you will get? No, je n'ai pas encore arrosé les plantes. No, I still have not watered the plant. So this is quite an easy exercise, but if you go through it another time, this video, you'll be able to understand this exercise well. Thank you.